The senator representing Kogi Central, Natasha has filed a 5 billion naira suit against her colleague, Senator Nwaebonyi, who represents the Ebonyi North Central Senatorial District, over an alleged defamation. The suit filed by Udra through a lawyer, Michael Numa, at the Federal Capital Territory High Court in Abuja, seeks to declare as false and malicious statements made by Nwaebonyi during an interview on Channels Television on the 6th of March 2025. According to the suit, Udra asserts that Nwaebonyi described her as a gold digger, habitual liar, and habitual blackmailer during the interview. Amongst others, she prayed the court to declare as false, malicious, and defamatory claims that she is a mother of 6 children from different men, allegedly made by her colleague. She noted that such remarks undermine her reputation as a role model for women aspiring to enter politics. Udra in the suit contends that Nwaebonyi's statements have caused significant harm to her reputation and public embarrassment. The senator from Kogi proceeded to seek a court order restraining Nwaebonyi from making further malicious statements against her. Additionally, she also requested that the court compel Nwaebonyi to retract the defamatory remarks on the same platform where he initially made the statement and issue an unreserved apology. We will continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.